The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
What did you make of the president's, I thought, pretty aggressive statement about Venezuela tonight? And he talked about being a socialist country and how we're never going to be a socialist country. It was pretty truculent, but it tied the notion of socialism to that particular regime. What do you think about the president, why he did that?
Well, I think that he needs to do it because he feels himself losing on the issues.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country off the Wall Street Radio Network. Isn't that amazing? She hasn't got a clue. Losing on the issues? She can't grasp anything. I don't get this. But we're going to talk about socialism and why people want to go to socialism. What is it? What's driving people to socialism? We're going to talk a little bit about that. But first, I want to start out with, now yesterday I said I needed 10 people. I was going to give you my chart, my MV2 color-coded chart, which is $30. You're going to get that free for a month. And I've got, out of the 10 I need 3 more. Just 3 more. I'm sorry, 4 more now. 4 more out of the 10. So 4 more. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. Sign up for $30.95 and you get my free color-coded chart, my MV2 color-coded chart, and you're going to follow me for the next month on the spiders, the S&P 500. So on the spiders, as part of our working investor group. It's an ETF. You're going to do much, much better. At the end of the month, you're going to say, why am I doing a 401k? I wish I'd known about this before. Because you're going to not only learn how to buy the spiders, which is the 500 best companies in the world, which you have hardly any cost at all, okay, compared to 401ks, which are brutal. And 401ks, you can't mitigate your losses. When the market starts going down, you just sit back and you just hope and pray. You hope it stops going down. No, with a spider, they allow you to turn around and make money while it's going down. So I need 4 more to round out the 10. I thought I'd have them yesterday, okay, but I need 4. So they're waiting for your call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. Also, a little more business before we start. I'm going to be at the Money Show. That's at the Omni Resort, Champions Gate, Orlando, Florida. That's February 7th through the 10th. Now, it's a free event, okay? And I will be there. I'll be in a booth. And on Friday, from my booth, I'll be doing my radio show. And then on Saturday, I'll be giving a workshop at 2 p.m. So just go to philsgang.com, and we posted a link where you can register and get all the detailed information. Love to see my listeners and gang members in Orlando at the Money Show. Okay, so let's get started here. So, I mean, she is just absolutely, she doesn't get it. But I want to just drift away from that for a moment, because here's what really hit me last night. I thought the president did a great job. And most people did, even the Democrats. They thought it was a great speech. And he was putting his heart into it. He really was. You could see he was really trying. He was trying to reach the Democrats. He was even trying to reach Miss Toothpaste. Okay? He was even trying to reach her. He even got her to stand up.
Toothpaste may not excite you, but Crest Great Checkups will.
There you go. There you go. That's Toothpaste. We'll call her Toothpaste, because all I can think of when I see her and she smiles, I think, oh, she must be doing a toothpaste commercial. But let's move on. So, Monday, even before the Democrats heard what the president was going to say at the State of the Union, on Monday, Senator Tom Udall from New Mexico, what does he do? Sponsors a bill to jam up the president so he can't have access to the only 2 sources of money available by doing the Emergency Act, the 1976 Emergency Act. This is unbelievable. So even before they even heard what the president had to say, they immediately put in a bill. It's Udall's name on it, and it's to jam the president up. Well, what's that mean? It's called the Raider Act Bill. If passed, the president will be the first president since 1976. Remember, 58 times they've used this bill for emergencies, including Obama and Clinton. But for the first time now, he will be prohibited from using the 1976 Emergency Act without first getting specific authorization from Congress. What are you, nuts? 58 times they've used the Emergency Act, including Obama, Clinton, all the rest of them. Oh, but no, Trump, let's stop him. He's the only one we're going to stop. We'll make sure we put a hurdle in. Before he uses it, he will have to get a specific authorization from Congress. Nobody else. This is the only president that had to do that. What are you, nuts? This is crazy. So if it passed, he would be prohibited from using the only two sources of money that's available for the wall, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and the Defense Department construction account. He won't get that money. It'll be over. Isn't this amazing? It's amazing. And you know what really is amazing? They talk about compassion. Okay? They talk about compassion. It's all about compassion for the illegals. It's not about compassion. It's about building their voter base. Senator Udall from New Mexico, he only cares about his political career. He only cares about re-election. He doesn't care about the consequences of open borders. He could care less about deaths or the drugs going through, or the diseases, or selling young women to sex slavery. He could care less. All he cares about is getting re-elected. And what they're trying to do is what this is all about. This is all about changing the voting electorate in the United States through using this immigration. That's what the Democrats are doing. They're even trying right now they're questioning the Constitution as to the Electoral College. So what Udall is doing, he's trying to convince his state, like a lot of states, where they can do, you can be an illegal and you still can vote in local elections. They've been doing that in a lot of states now. But they just get their door, they put their foot in the door. Say, oh, this will be just for local elections. This will be just for dog catcher. And then all of a sudden it's going to be, well, if you're illegal, you can vote for you can vote for mayor. Then you can vote for the governor. Then soon you can vote for president. That's what they're trying to do, because this is their base. They're trying to build their base from these Democrats. That's why they don't want any borders, and they don't care about the consequences or the cost. They don't care. It's just really sickening. But the point I'm making is, can't they at least give the president, whether you hate him or like him, or whether you're a Democrat, Republican, or independent, can't you just be a good person and just listen to him? Give him a chance? My God, it's unbelievable. This is nuts. So Udall, right now, his big thing is to try to get, he's trying to get the state of New Mexico where they can pass legislation to let illegals vote not only in local elections, but state elections. Gee, I wonder why. He's a senator, right? Unbelievable. So that's where this whole thing is going. No, these people don't care about the border at all. Okay, when we get back, and again, remember, we need 4 more signups to complete the 10 for my MV2 color-coded chart, which I'm going to work with you for 1 month on the spiders and prove to you those 500 companies, the spiders, you do much better than ever in 401k.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you start making money, please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Phil'sGang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. Phil'sGang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. I want to extend my personal invitation to all my listeners to join me in Orlando, Florida, February 7th through the 10th. At the Money Show Free Investment Conference in Orlando, Florida, being held at Omni Resort Champions Gate. That's Thursday, February 7th through Sunday the 10th. On Saturday at 2 p.m., I'm inviting you to attend my workshop. Don't miss it. To register, go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com. We'll see you on the charts in Orlando.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang, 877-600-GANG. I'm trying to fill the group, my spider group, I'm calling it. Going to do a test with 10 folks, 10 people. I'm going to prove to you, if you follow me just with the spiders, never mind these 401ks, you're going to make much more money just with the spiders. And you're going to love it. And I'm going to show you how to do it. You haven't got to do a thing. I'm going to coach you all the way through. I'm going to tell you when to buy. I'm going to tell you when to sell. I'm going to tell you where to put a stop in. I do it all. Our whole team does it all. At 2 o'clock every afternoon, you go to my site, philsgang.com, and they tell you exactly what to do with the spiders. I mean, it's a great way to learn, okay? Especially for people who don't have time to do anything. They say, I don't have time to learn. I just want to make money. Well, here's the way to do it. If you can devote 2 minutes within 24 hours to find out what we're telling you to do with the spiders, what are you, nuts? It's great. And it's done with my MV2 color-coded chart with the algorithms to tell you when to buy and sell. That's the beautiful thing. No longer are you tied to this notion, I got to find somebody, this great broker. How many times have you switched brokers? And how many times you don't even look at your statements when they come in? You don't even look at your statements. All you think is, oh, the stock market's going up, so the economy is terrific. I'm being told that every day by Varney, Maria Bartiromo, people on CNBC. Gee, as long as the market's going up, that means the economy's got to be doing fantastic. Because if the market's doing great, the economy's doing it's just natural. No, it's not. It's not. And you want to be in a position that you don't care what the economy is doing. And you want to be in a position you don't care what the stock market is, what the stock market's doing. You could care less. That's the position you want to be in. And that's the position you're in if you join my gang. You become a member and just follow what we tell you to do. You could care less because you're going to make money as the market's going down. You're going to make money as the market's going up. No more do you have to worry about, gee, I better be in the right stock, better have the right dividend. Is it in the right group? All of a sudden, Kramer's saying you got to be in this group, you got to be in that group, and then I love it when you watch halftime. I love CNBC when you watch halftime. You ever see these guys? Egomaniacs. And the host, he's a horse's arse. The host alone is a dope. He's unbelievable. He's in there trying to compete with his panel, and he doesn't even know what he's doing. It's just unbelievable. So wouldn't it be nice every morning you don't have to do a thing, but just go to philsgang.com, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and just follow my instructions like you would do with any self-help product. Don't you ever have that? Everybody has some sort of self-help product. You get those all the time. So why would this be different? But you'll be free from having to think. You don't have to worry about your 401k. You don't have to worry about who's handling it. And the worst thing, when the market's going down, you no longer have to say, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Those days are over. Okay, 877-600-GANG. There's 4 more people I need. So just check it out. They're waiting for your call. All right, listen to this. Let's see. What we should go to. This is amazing here. Listen to this. This is Trump.
Here in the United States, we are alarmed by the new calls to adopt socialism in our country. America was founded on liberty and independence, and not government coercion, domination, and control. We are born free, and we will stay free.
Wow, that was strong. Now listen to toothpaste.
But what we really need to realize that what is happening is that this is an issue of authoritarian regime versus democracy. And in order for him to try to, dissuade or throw people off the scent of the trail, he has to really make and confuse the public.
How did she become a member of Congress? I mean, she's like a high school kid. She makes no sense. She makes no sense at all. This is unbelievable. I mean, she really is embracing socialism. She doesn't even know what socialism is. She has no clue. But first, before we go nuts with socialism, let's go to Stock Corner and see how my members are doing and how you would be doing if you were a member.
Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. Okay, the Spiders. The Spiders are 500 of the best companies in the world. Great companies. It has a nice little dividend. And the Spiders, compared to your 401k, I mean, you make twice, 3 times what you make in a 401k. Because why? Because the expenses in a 401k are too high. There's 22 hidden fees. And they skim $250 billion a day. That's why you can't make money. And every time you think you're making money as the economy's going up and you say, the stock market's going up, you're all excited, you don't even read it. All you hear every day, new high, new high, new high, right? Every day. Remember we went through that from November of 2016 to October 2018. New high every day, new high every day. But when it went down 20%, how did it feel? You couldn't mitigate those losses in your 401k. No, you couldn't do it because you weren't allowed to do it. With a Spider, you turn around and we tell you exactly what to do. We tell you exactly how to do it. And we coach you all the way through it. And we stay right with you. We hold your hand all the way through till you're done. So check it out. 877-600-GANG. Get your free chart now. As I said, I need 10 people to do this experiment with me. Okay. Now, the stocks that we got to be looking at right now are the stocks that nobody wants. The bad performers. Now, which ones are those? Retail stocks, bad performers. Oil services. This is the gold mine right here. Oil services, oil refiners, oil drillers. It's amazing. Like they've gotten killed. The market, the reason why the market's going up, as you know, we have the same interest rates. The rates have not been cut. The same interest rates that took the market down, they're going right back up with those same rates, and they're going to collapse again. But you want to be in a position that once that collapse is over, okay, that you can go to the group that's going to be the best group, and I'm telling you, it's going to be the oils. And you can start with me today on those oils. 877-600-GANG. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. I want to extend my personal invitation to all my listeners to join me in Orlando, Florida, February 7th through the 10th. at the Money Show Free Investment Conference in Orlando, Florida, being held at Omni Resort Champions Gate. That's Thursday, February 7th through Sunday the 10th. On Saturday at 2 p.m., I'm inviting you to attend my workshop. Don't miss it. To register, go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com. We'll see you on the charts in Orlando.
Short on time, but want to invest in the stock market?
Actually, yes, I am.
Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1%? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here. And it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Short on time, but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, again, I need 4 more people. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. Get your free color-coded chart. You're going to follow me on the spiders. And by the way, all you do at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we give you the instructions, exactly what to do. Takes you a couple minutes a day. That's it. We do all the work for you. Try it. 877-600-GANG. You'll do much better than you ever would do at a 401k. Just try it for a month. It's free. All you have to do is join the gang membership. You get the chart free, and we do all the work for you. So try it. Now, the spiders, we're already up on the spiders right now. Our profits on the spiders are around 7% right now. And we've only been in the spiders for about 4 weeks. 4 weeks. So that's a 7% return in 4 weeks on the spiders. But that's not what's important. What's important is that you're not going to give that 7% back. We protected our members by putting in what we call a stop. It's like an insurance policy. That comes down below a certain point, it kicks us out automatically, protects our profits. That's the one thing we do here all the time. Every stock or ETF, we treat it like it's its own business, like it's its own profit center. That's how we treat it. So we always are on top of it. We always make sure that we never give back our gains. We always buy that protection. It's like an insurance policy. So check it out, 877-600-GANG. All right, let's move on. I want to talk about for a minute, we're talking about the market. The market's in a situation right now, it is struggling. Yes, the market is going up. You hear about it, okay? But remember, the market has only gone up about 3/4 of the way before it dropped from where it dropped. It dropped on October 5th. It went down 20%. Now it's back up 14%. But what people don't understand, the reason it collapsed 20%, because the market rejected the higher rates. The bank stocks failed. Now the market's going back up 14% with the exact same rates. So they're going to have to cut the rates, and that's why Powell was having dinner with the president, and Mnuchin was having dinner with the president and Powell.
Well, I think it was a productive dinner on Monday night.
Was there any acknowledgement of the pivot that the Fed chair has made in terms of his language and his message to the markets between October 3rd or even the end of December to the beginning of January?
The Fed chair was very consistent in what he said to the president with what he's been saying publicly.
Oh, yeah, right. Give me a break.
Interest rates are still accommodative, but we're gradually moving to a place where they will be neutral. Not that they'll be restraining the economy. We may go past neutral, but we're a long way from neutral at this point.
In light of global economic and financial developments and muted inflation pressures, the committee will be patient.
Patient. That's all we hear. It's going to be patient. And it'd be nice. You don't have to worry about that. It'd be nice. You don't have to have some expert. You have to go hire some broker or counselors to help you get through all that, like a big maze. Forget all that. You don't need to know any of those fundamentals. Why would you need any of them? You don't need them. All you're going to do is follow the money flow. In life, it's all about following the money, isn't it? Always follow the money. And you know what's going on. Always follow the money, especially with the gangster politicians we have, right? And that's what you do when you're investing. With the technology we have today, you don't need to know the margins that the company's making. You don't need to know the free cash flow. You don't need to know the book value. You don't need to know any of that. All those fundamentals, throw them out the door. Because as long as the 5 largest, 6 largest banks, the 5 largest insurance companies, the 7 largest hedge funds are buying that stock, it will go up. And even today, when stocks aren't supposed to go up, usually when you buy stocks, you always got to know, is the dollar weak or is the dollar strong? Give you an example. If the dollar is weak, you don't want to be, that's really bad. You don't want to be buying big box stores. If the dollar is weak, you don't want to be buying Walmart. You don't want to be buying Home Depot or Costco or Lowe's. When the dollar's weak, you don't want to buy those. Consumer staples. When the dollar's weak, you don't want to be buying Clorox or Johnson & Johnson. Now, do you think that the person running your 401k is going to switch you from weak dollar stocks to strong dollar stocks? What are you, nuts? He doesn't even know who you are. He could care less about you. You're number 1,200,000. He could care less about you. Nobody's sitting there saying, gee, I better take my client and that's in a 401k. Let's switch them out of Walmart and let's put them in a good, strong dollar stock. You think they do that? Of course not. Of course not. They're not going to do that. They'll never do that for you. That's not their job. Their job is to take care of who? Who's their fiduciary?
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it. Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
And that's the way it works in this business. It's unbelievable. So nobody's going to take care of your money like you yourself. And this is the easy way to do it, Please join in my gang. Try it. Again, we're trying to fill up the last 4. I don't know what we got now, but don't worry about it. There are 4. We'll run it to 6 o'clock tonight anyways, okay, if it's filled. 877-600-GANG. All right, let's talk about this socialism. You know, the Democrats, they're so hateful right now. They're stirring the hatred pot. Because think about it, hatred. Most hatred comes from those who are resentful of others' success. Think about that. Isn't that true, though? One neighbor, it used to be years and years ago, right? Like during World War I and before World War II, somebody was in the ghetto and he was getting out of the ghetto and everybody was happy for him. All the neighbors would come over and party. Oh, you're leaving. Oh, gee, you're getting up to another neighborhood. Everybody applaud. Now you're getting out of your neighborhood, going to a better neighborhood. They throw stones at you. Hatred. It's all about hatred, and the Democrats are playing on that. They want you to be resentful of others' success. Because you know why they're resentful? Because they could not figure out how to become successful themselves. That's why they're so the hatred is for Trump. These people who've been in office for 40 years, 30 years, always wanted to be president, all losers, couldn't make it. They couldn't make. Trump comes in from like a Disney World foundation, and he comes in and he's got everything in the world. He's rich. He's got a beautiful wife, and then you've got these old dopes sitting up there, so jealous. They're saying, "How did he do this? How did he do this? Look at his wife, beautiful. Look at my wife. She looks like a frozen grape out of the refrigerator. Are you kidding me? And I've been in Congress for 30 years. Look at this. Unbelievable." Hatred. So hatred comes from those who are resentful of others' success because they could not figure out how that person made it, how the neighbor made it. It doesn't work. They can't figure it out. Even though capitalism allows for you to be successful. That's the beautiful thing about capitalism that toothpaste doesn't understand. Capitalism allows those who even want to be just average to be achievers. But if they want to not be achievers, they want to stay average, that's fine. As long as they're the best average. They put their heart in it. There's nothing wrong in being average. Not everybody wants to be a risk taker. There's nothing wrong with that. Not everybody wants to build wealth, because to build wealth, it's hard work. It's sacrifice. You know, most people say, I don't like capitalism because it's too hard. Why do you think the jails and the prisons are filled with people? Because they hate capitalism. Why? Because they rather go steal. It's too hard to start from the bottom and work your way up. Start out with nothing and try to build a company. Do you know how hard that is? And people hate that when somebody does it and they're resentful of it. But socialism, okay, is a support system. That's why they run to support system socialism. They go right to that support system, socialism, for those who failed at being successful because they didn't want to work hard. They didn't want to take risks. They didn't want to sacrifice. So they turned to socialism, a system that has been masked by the word inequality. We'll talk about that when we get back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grant at philsgang.com. You know, we raise money every day for St. Jude, and we need your help. And I will reach out to you and help you learn how to invest in stocks. It's a whole new game out there. No more is there investing in stocks based on fundamentals. Those days are gone, totally gone. So look, join my gang, philsgang.com. I'll help you, and then you help St. Jude. Learn how to use a chart.
Sign up today. Simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or give them a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. I want to extend my personal invitation to all my listeners to join me in Orlando, Florida, February 7th through the 10th. At the Money Show Free Investment Conference in Orlando, Florida, being held at Omni Resort Champions Gate. That's Thursday, February 7th through Sunday the 10th. On Saturday at 2 p.m., I'm inviting you to attend my workshop. Don't miss it. To register, go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com. We'll see you on the charts in Orlando.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? Philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, Nugget, for those who are interested in gold, Nugget is a beautiful mining stock. We're up 11% in Nugget. We have 11% return. We took our money on, not all of it out, but we took most of it out. We only have what we call a scout left. That's just a couple shares. We're up 11%. Now, the dollar's been going up, so don't get into gold or gold mining stocks with the dollar going up. You'll be sorry. Wait till that dollar comes back down, and it will come down. The only reason why gold's going up because the dollar's going up. I mean, the reason why gold is not going up any longer because the dollar's going up. Because why? Because they're out there pumping how great the economy is. But please use your head. Does it make sense that the stock market corrected 20% because of the high rates were being rejected, and then the market goes back up with the same rates, up 14%? Of course not. That's what they call a short covering rally. But we're making money on those short covering rallies. Right now, we're up 7% in the S&P, and I want you to join me with the S&P. And guess what? If you join me in the S&P, and let's say it goes up another 7%, and then the market turns around and drops, which it will, you're going to feel good about it because you're going to be in a position as the S&P goes back down. You're going to be making money because we know how to short the stock. We use our color-coded chart, which I'm giving you free. It's $30. You get it free for 1 month. Follow me for 1 month on the spiders. Okay? And I'm telling you, you'll enjoy it. You'll be fun. And you'll say, God, I wish I was doing this all along. You know, if all you did was the spiders for a whole year, that's all you did, you'll make so much more money than you ever would in a 401k. Check it out. So I'm trying to fill up. We filled the 4, so I'm going to keep it open. I'm going to keep it open until 6 o'clock tonight anyways, okay? So we did get our 4. We got our 10, but I'll keep it open. If you want to sign up, you got to 6 o'clock tonight. 877-600-GANG. Okay. So we're talking about socialism. Remember, socialism, people turn to it as a support system. That's all. Especially for people who failed at being successful, like many of those people you see in Congress. Okay, they failed. They or people who work for government. They couldn't make it outside of government because they failed. But it doesn't mean that you have to be an entrepreneur. No. If you just want to be a regular person, you don't want to take risks, and you want a nice life, and you want to retire, that's fine. What's wrong with that? That's fine too. But I just get angry with these people who say capitalism is no good. We got to take from those who work hard, who take risk, who make money. We got to take from them. And we got to give it from the achievers back to the non-achievers. We got to redistribute the wealth of those who work hard, who work 14 hours a day, who sacrifice, who work on weekends and nights, especially those who own businesses. They want to take the way away from them and give it to somebody who doesn't achieve? Are you okay? Now, here's the funny thing about socialism. They take it away from the wealth. They take the wealth, away from the achiever to redistribute that wealth of the achiever to the non-achiever. This way, they can disincentivize the achiever so he too will be average. He too will be discouraged. He too will be a non-achiever. So they're going to take it from him and they'll give it to everybody else, spread his wealth around, so he too will be disincentivized. He won't work hard anymore. But at the end of the day, where are they going to get their money from? Finally, socialism, you run out of money. You run out of money. And the very, very wealthy, you think they're going to stay with their socialism? My God. How did it work for Cuba? How did it work for Venezuela? This kid, she doesn't know what she's talking about. So, but here's what I really resent. This makes me really grumpy. They use the word inequality. So, if you think how they use that word, what they do is they're just using the word income inequality to mask what's going on. So, if you think about how, if you take income inequality, right, instead of calling it what it really is, socialism, they mask it as income inequality. So when you hear them talk about, oh, this income inequality, the income inequality is terrible in this country, terrible in the country, all they're really trying to do is they're trying to mask socialism using that word income inequality. It's unbelievable. So, and then what they do is they turn around and they take away the profits incentives by nationalizing businesses. Listen, exactly what they do. That's part of socialism. They want to take away, first, the incentive from the rainmaker, the guy who's working hard. They want to get him, beat him down, take his money, spread it among everybody. So he's so down and he has no incentive to move forward. And then what you do is take his business away from him.
This liberal will be all about socializing and the government running all of your companies.
See, that's how it works. That's what it's all about. So take Socialist Sanders. Now, this guy's pretty wealthy. He has a beautiful home on Lake Champlain. He's got 2 $1 million homes. And he talks about socialism. He wants to be an oligarch. See, people like Sanders, he could never make it on his own. He could never make it out of the government. That old bird has been sucking off of government for, 30 years, 40 years? Look, we don't want to switch to socialism. Here's what you want to switch to. You need term limits. You don't switch to socialism. The problem is people with money can buy the people in Congress. And when those people are in there for years, like Pelosi, remember Reid, they become thieves. And the very, very wealthy keep on giving them money to win elections and to change the rules and to write legislation that makes them or the business they own more successful. They become more wealthy, and they can again give the money back to Reid, who was in there for 40 years, Pelosi, the rest of them. All those old birds that are in Congress, you've got to have term limits. So that's how it stops. Right now, yes, the rich are getting richer. The middle class, they're shrinking. And the poor's doing pretty good because they're getting all kinds of programs. But to stop from what's going on right now where we got this attitude that let's tax the rich, let's get the rich, they're no good, the rich are no good. No. They got wealthy because they could fix the system. They got wealthy because they could pay Pelosi off. They got wealthy because they could pay Schumer off. They've been there for 30 years. You want to stop this that you call inequality? You can stop it quickly. Term limits. Guy gets two terms, that's it. He's out of there. So then the very wealthy, like the Koch brothers and the rest of them, they're not going to be able to pay these people. They're not going to be able to buy these people what they call donations, which is a bribe. I can't fix any of this. I can talk about it. Makes me sick, the socialism that's going on. I mean, it was wonderful last night. We saw those 4 guys who were in World War II. Think about it. Okay? They gave their lives. I talked about this the other day. I said there's 2,000 guys, 101st Airborne. When they jumped out of the plane, it was estimated that 356,000 rounds of bullets they're going to be jumping into. Out of 4 that jumped, only 1 would make it. So before they jumped, they knew 3 of them were going to die. So you're standing with 4 guys, only 1 he was going to, but they still volunteered to jump, especially the 101st. And now, it was these guys and the people you saw, those guys last night. That's why we have a choice. But they want to take our choice away from us. So the way you fix it is not through socialism. You've got to get term limits. In the meantime, I can't fix it. All I can do is fix your wealth so you can help St. Jude. And I was so glad last night that he talked about St. Jude.
Tonight, I am also asking you to join me in another fight that all Americans can get behind, the fight against childhood cancer. Joining Melania in the gallery this evening is a very brave 10-year-old girl, Grace Eline.
God, that was fantastic. Remember St. Jude. I'll help you. Join my gang right now. You help St. Jude. Get your free chart. They're waiting for your call.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me.